everybody. Nice to meet you. God bless you. This is Jiang from Dajiang factory. Dajiang manufacture audio plug, DC power plug, USB cable. Dajiang, we are a great team. We fight for honor. We strive for excellence. We aim for success. We share good times and bad times. We encourage, care about, push, love each other. We believe in our bright future. Join Dajiang. Welcome China. Welcome Dajiang factory. We'll try our best for you. Good customer, good friend. Let's do the best. We think like winners. We act like winners. We will be winners. Thank you, all the customers from all over the world. This month, we'll have a meeting in Hong Kong, Global South. Thank you. God bless you.